APITech has a rich heritage delivering tactical power solutions, from power-hungry C4ISR applications to electronic warfare to tactical vehicles. At APITech, our tactical power supplies meet the military's need for flexible power distribution. The Army and Marines have more than 1 million generators deployed in various configurations for missions. So, preparedness in the field is critical, no matter what situation a soldier faces. APITech's tactical power supplies come with optional cable assemblies, so soldiers and Marines can use power no matter what generator is on site, whether it is single-phase, split-phase, or a three-phase generator. Using a three-phase generator provides the full rated power capability, while a single phase is 1/3 the power, and a split phase is 2/3 the power. And APITech power supplies have a built-in battery charger that ensures the vehicle battery is always fully charged during critical missions. Our tactical power supply suite can power all of the C4ISR equipment that requires 28 volts DC. APITech systems are designed to meet MIL standard 810 for environmental performance needs. For instance, units are watertight and integrated into a roll cage to ensure actuation points are protected from drop and shock situations. The 75 amp unit is a single person lift, and the 150 amp unit is a two-person lift. APITech's tactical power supplies are ideal for delivering DC power to a wide range of C4ISR components that are on the ground, in shelters, shipboard, or for AAV applications. Our power supply solutions are designed to operate in a range of -40 degrees Celsius to +60 Celsius with load derating applied. The tactical power solutions are also designed to meet MIL standard 461 requirements to ensure systems are not adversely affected by adjacent noise-emitting devices. The ability for the Army and Marine Corps to operate a wide range of C4ISR, C2, and other electronic warfare equipment relies on the best proven hardware to convert AC power and deliver DC power with generators that are on the scene. APITech stepped in when no versatile power conversion device was commercially available. We created a solution that is ready to meet the challenge. Find out more at apitech.com.